after cleaning, syempre nagutom ang lola, nagpausok muna kasi maraming insect. Kaya pasok muna at mag-almusal muna kami ng aking
kulay
apo.
brown na. Mila, your color brown already.
Thank you.
Thank you pa daw. Thank you pa daw. Nagkulay brown na samantalang tayo nagpapaputi.
I've been waiting to be brown.
I've been waiting to be brown. You are already. Oh my God, weirdo. We Filipino, we use lotion to make our skin white, and we drink something to make our skin white. And you American, like, since
So after namin mag-almusal, syempre magluluto na ako ng coconut corn and glutinous
this is
rice.
coconut milk, cream corn, and sugar. And we're gonna make like biko corn biko, sweet corn, glutinous rice. And I add butter. And then I have this cooked rice ready. I cook it earlier. We just let it boil and then we can add the cooked glutinous rice, sticky rice. We will make this more creamy and then we can add our ready cooked glutinous rice, sticky rice. So this is it. Pansit. We can add the rice ready. Slowly. It's alright. You have the frying pan that I use is so small, but it's okay. The liquid is gonna get evaporated. Smells so good. So good.
This is almost done. You can eat it breakfast or snacks or lunch or dinner, whatever you want. With coffee always. Thank you for watching, guys.